FineReader Engine helps developers transform documents into structured, usable data. Whether documents come from a scanner, a mobile device, or a digital source, each requires a specific processing approach. FineReader Engine organizes these approaches into a few scenario groups: document conversion, data capture, and other supporting workflows like classification, document comparison, and more. Each focuses on a different stage of processing, from creating editable content to verifying final output. Many systems rely on image-based or scanned input. The document conversion scenarios turn those files into fully editable copies of the documents while preserving layout and formatting. Another important use case is converting scanned documents into searchable formats while preserving all original document information. Scenarios include conversion to Word or rich text format, searchable archiving in PDF, and book digitization for library use. All these scenarios rely on the same foundation: layout analysis, optical character recognition, and structure reconstruction, implemented through predefined profiles optimized for accuracy or speed. When the goal is to extract meaning rather than create an editable copy, the data capture scenarios apply. FineReader Engine can capture all document elements: text, tables, barcodes, checkmarks, and pictures, or focus on specific fields where precision is required. Dedicated options support barcode reading, business card capture, and MRZ extraction from ID documents. The structured data files generated by the data capture process, exported in JSON or XML, integrate directly with databases, onboarding systems, large language models, or robotic process automation workflows. There are other processes that start before recognition or continue beyond it. The supporting workflow scenarios prepare and organize documents throughout their lifecycle. Image preprocessing enhances input quality, crucial for optimal optical character recognition accuracy, by correcting common image quality issues before recognition. Document classification categorizes files such as invoices, contracts, or receipts after being trained on relevant document types. Document comparison highlights changes between versions, streamlining review, and compliance. All scenarios are modular. You can use one or combine several to match your implementation requirements. Together, they create a flexible framework for intelligent document processing, helping you design workflows that move information smoothly from input to result.